the only way
And
you can have control is by changing within, which means you have to run and you have to do those type of things. You have to run within that arena. So for you
yeah,
to change the community, you decided to step up and you decided to create a business where you make those what are they? I see you make the stuffed animals and
oh
you
yeah, my
know,
wife makes
yeah.
those.
So I mean, you decided to spread happiness, man, to kids, to people that get to receive those things. You're
Yep.
feeding the community. Man, that says a whole lot more than even some of the biggest political people that are on the map, man.